Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and so I'm just showing you a quick video. The guys are getting ready to remove the slide-out room on the mobile suites, and this particular room, the whole floor is rotten on it, so it's 12 foot wide, 6 inches, and the whole base of it's rotten, so we're having to use 2x4s that are sandwiched together on the forklift to support the sidewalls. And then there's 6 of us here right now, one operating the forklift, one guy spotter, 2 guys on the sides, and then me and another gentleman who'll go inside here in a minute to help guide this thing out. It's on our Schwintek slide out, so we're having to take away remove all the moldings and stuff that's on the Schwintek as well. The Schwintek is also damaged. It's already all worn out on the side gears and stuff, so that's getting replaced at the same time. But a lot of this damage was all contributed to just a combination of the washer and dryer leaked inside, as well as the lower flange seam, which will show up to basically the sealant failed on it. In most cases, there's not a lot of putties or anything behind it. So as you can see here, the sealant, they've been battling sealant over the years, as that separated just the slightest bit from these rooms that are rocking and moving. So all these flanges that go up all around, basically the picture frame that closes it to the wall of the coach, besides you having wiper seals on your units and D-bulb seals, the rooms are subject to a lot of, flexing like this, regardless if it's a Schwintek or a cable slide or a through frame slide or whatever brand you have. Those flanges are still there wallowing back and forth in motion when you're traveling in vibration. And so over time, they'll come loose, the sealants on them will separate, and then that's what allows the water to get in and damage the floors. So we typically do, it depends on the person, if they're keeping a coach or not, or if they're saving it. But on average, we probably do at least one full slide out floor, I would say maybe a month or every other month. It just depends on what comes through here. A lot of times we'll find units that will need so much work. We're like, hey, we'll set the customers down and say, hey, look, we can fix that, but you're just going to be dumping a bunch of money into something that's not worth anything. So, but it all depends on the person. So, but all right, well, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. I'm getting ready to cut this video short because we're getting ready to pull this room out. So you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Dustin and the crew at California RV Specialist.